Thank you, Gurudat. You have made my job easy. In the sense, already you have expressed vote of thanks for the session and also extended vote of thanks for the resource persons. As we all know, we have come to the end of this seminar, and we are going to have the valedictory session after the conclusion of this vote of thanks. I take this opportunity to formally thank the resource persons, CMA Dr. Girish Jakotia, Management Consultant, and CMA Asim Mukhyopadhyaya, CEO, Navatam Consulting. In his address, Mr. Girish beautifully explained the concept of strategic management accounting with 6 examples and also 5 tools on SMA. And really we are enriched by your examples and the tools which you shared with the audience. And similarly, our second resource person, Dr. CMA Asim Kumar Mukhyopadhyaya Chattopadhyaya, CEO, Navatam Consulting Private Limited, explained as the 7 domains where CMAs or management accountants, as management accountants, we can start practice. And as a this one cost accountant who is in practice, I also add some practical doubts as to how we can start this practice and also how this can be beneficial from the MSME sector, which I got answer at the end of this session. And I will be failing in my duties if I do not specifically thank our Dorai Rajan sir, whom we know. Yes, sir. I cannot say my Dorai Rajan, our Dorai Rajan. Yeah, our Dorai Rajan sir always he is known for his expertise on the topic. And every day, whenever I had an occasion to speak to him, I will be learning new things. And thank you very much for your beautiful moderation of the entire this 1 hour session. Maybe considering this topic, we need to deliberate more on this. And this is just an eye opener. And so with this few words, I take the opportunity to thank the chairman of this management accounting committee for having given the Bangalore chapter opportunity to conduct this seminar at Bangalore. And I also thank the participants who are here at the fag end of the day to join the valedictory session. Thank you very much. Thank you once again.